I ended up in the hospital having this horrible abdominal pain, and after a few studies, they found out that I had stone in my gallbladder.
I just happened to be in the office for checkup with Dr. Terhune, and he was doing the normal check for men's prostate situation, and he said, oops, something I check here I don't think I like too well, we're going to have to check further.
I had had diverticulitis 3 different times within a 2-year period, and so I was recommended that I go see a surgeon. And after talking with him, I felt I needed to have surgeries to take care of the problem.
Dr. Terhune presented all the options to me, radiation and all the different options, but his recommendation was using the Da Vinci system with Dr. Stockton.
It sounded just very attractive just to have 1 incision instead of 3 or 4, but I was absolutely given the option, and he told me the pros and cons of each one of them, and I decided along with my family to go with the Da Vinci option.
I had surgery at noon, and by 4 o'clock the next morning I was up and able to walk.
I got to the hospital at 8 o'clock, and by 2:30 I was arriving home already.
I had very little pain with it. I had small incisions. I was up walking the next morning, and I had a very speedy recovery time.
Within a week to 10 days, I was back doing my regular work and have been ever since. And so it was just not really a time-consuming situation.
I drove the 4th day, the 5th day. I did kind of normal stuff around the house, and the 6th day I was already out doing stuff, not at work, but I went back to work a week and a half later with no restrictions.
I was very, very pleased and very happy to have been able to stay locally rather than to have had to go to anywhere else, really. And I sure don't want to go to Chicago if I don't have to, or things like that. So I really appreciate having the expertise here in St. Joe.
I think it's wonderful. I think everybody should go for this type of surgery. It's very convenient, it's safe. I felt safe.
I think the Da Vinci system is a good system, and I'm very happy that the hospital has that available to anybody that would like to have it. I had a real good experience.
For me, deciding to come to Lakeland was really an easy choice. First is being cared for by my friends and neighbors. Second is the quality of something I am, of course, very familiar with. I trust the folks in the operating room, I trust the folks on the post-surgical unit, and I absolutely have confidence in the skills and the ability of Dr. Stockton. So there was really only one choice for me, and that was to come to Lakeland.
I'm Howard McLaughlin, and I'm a Lakeland Da Vinci masterpiece.
My name is Karen Freeling. I'm a Lakeland Da Vinci masterpiece.
My name is Rosario Espinosa, and I'm a Lakeland Da Vinci masterpiece.
I am delighted to be one of Lakeland's masterpieces.